Hi students, so in this video we are going to see Unit 2 Prose, The Wind on the Haunted Hills, Section 2. So in previous video we saw about Section 1. Now in Section 1 there are three children and they are living in the part of the side of the haunted hills, and Usha is going to the market and to buy the household products, and while she is spending her time in her aunt house, the clouds are becoming very dark and she started to step out from her aunt house, and she is walking to her home, return back from the market. Now we can see the section 2. Strangely, the wind had dropped. So, while she is getting out of her aunt house, there was a heavy wind blowing, but strangely, but suddenly, in surprising way. Strangely means in a surprising way, the wind had dropped. The trees were still, not a leaf moved. So the trees were standing in a same position, not a leaf moved. ஒரு மரம் அப்படியே நிற்கிது, எந்த இழைகளும் வந்துட்டு நகரக்கூட இல்லை. The crickets were in silent in the grass. So the crickets were silent in the grass. Here the crickets means not a cricket, not a game cricket. It is called as the cricket. I hope you have heard இன்செக்ட் கிரிக்கெட். அதாவது ஒரு இன்செக்ட் இருக்குது, ஒரு பேர்டு மாதிரி இருக்கும். கிரிக்கெட்டுன்ட்டு ஒரு பேர்டு இருக்குது. அந்த இன்செக்ட் என்ன பண்ணுது, தட் இஸ் அ இன்செக்ட். ஓகேவா, நாட் அ பேர்ட், தட் இஸ் அ இன்செக்ட் வேர் சைலண்ட் இன் த கிராஸ். ஓகேவா, ஸோ இட் யூஸ் டு ஹைட், த கிரிக்கெட்ஸ் யூஸ் டு ஹைட் இன் த கிராஸ். த க்ரோஸ் flew over in a circle, then settled down for a night in an oak tree. So all the crows has been flying round a circle in the sky, and then after circling they have settled. All the crows has been settled for the night in the oak tree. I must get home back before dark, said Usha to herself as she hurried along the path. So I must get home before dark. So Usha is saying to herself that she need to get home before the clouds are getting dark. As she hurried along the path, she walked very fast to her house, returned back from market. But already the sky was darkening. The clouds, black and threatening, looked over haunted hills. This was March, the month of storm. So she is thinking before getting dark she need to return to his home, and so she is hurrying in the path. But already the sky is very darkening, but before she is thinking itself, the sky is very dark and black in color. The clouds are black in color and threatening her. Okay ma, so it is very dark and it is threatening her. Looked over the haunted hills. How it is threatening means she can able to see only the black image of the haunted hills. So this was the month of March and it is for a storm time. Okay va, see you can able to see this picture. While she is walking, it is already dark and she could able to see the black pictures of that haunted hills, for example. Okay va. A deep rumble echoed over the hills, and Usha left the first heavy drop of rain hit her cheek. So, a deep rumble. Rumble means that is a deep sound, that is a loud sound. Echoed over the hills. ஓகேவா, இடி இடிக்கிற சத்தம் எப்படி இடி இடிச்சதுன்னா அந்த ஹில்ஸ் பக்கத்தில் இருந்துச்சுன்னா அதில் பட்டு அந்த சவுண்ட் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் இருக்கும் இல்லையா, அந்த எக்கோ சவுண்ட் வந்து உஷாக்கு கேட்குது. அண்ட் ஷீ ஃபெல்ட் த first heavy drop of rain hit her cheek. So that first rain drop has been hit her cheek. அவ மேலே வந்துட்டு படுது. She had no umbrella with her. The weather had seemed so fine just a few hours ago. So she didn't get any umbrella with her before going to the market, because the wind had seemed so fine just few hours ago. So when she is getting out from her house, the wind seemed very nice only, so she didn't take any umbrella. Now all she could was to tie up a old scarf over her head and pull her shawl tight around her shoulders. So now she is not having any umbrella, right? So what she is now doing, she took a old scarf and she wore around her neck, and she pulled her shawl tight around her shoulders. See in this picture you can see how she has how wearing a scarf and shawl, and also she is having clothes very close. She is tightening her shopping bags. So you can see the picture here. Holding the shopping bags close to her body, she quickened her pace. So she is wearing, she tied her old scarf around her head, and also she pulled the shawl around her shoulders. She is holding a shopping bag very tightly to his body, and she quickened her pace. So the meaning of pace here is walking fastly, that is quicking. She quickened her walking. She was almost running, but the raindrops were coming down faster now, big heavy peplets of rain. So she was running, not she is not walking heavily, almost she is running, but the raindrops are coming heavier, like a big heavy peplets of the rain. Peplets means small and round, okay va, chin chinna round vandittu, it is coming very fastly over her, okay va. A sudden flash of lightning lit up the hill. The ruin stood out in a clear outline. Then all was dark again. Night had fallen. So when she is rushing to his house, there was a sudden flash, that is a lightning, a sudden flash of lightning lit the hill, that is light, thunder sound, thunder vandittu lightning varum illaya. She had a sudden flash of lightning. So while that lightning is coming, the ruin stood up in a clear outline. So the ruin, that is the destroyed place, has been showing she can able to see the outline of the destroyed ruin. See, I'll show you the picture. So you can able to see the picture, while the lightning is there, she can able to see the outline of the destroyed place alone. So while she's coming to, while she's crossing there, lightning is heavy, and she can able to see the outline of the ruin. And after seeing the outline, then again it became dark and night had fallen. I would get home before the storm breaks, thought Usha. So now Usha is thinking, before the storm is breaking, we need to reach the home. So I will have to shelter. So sorry, I don't get home before the storm breaks. So she's thinking that, so we can't able to pass this, because storm is getting very heavier, so we can't able to reach the home now. So I will have to shelter in the ruin. So she's thinking, now we need to get shelter, அதாவது எங்கேயாவது நம்ம வந்துட்டு போய் நிற்கணும், because rain is started heavier, and also there is a heavy thunder sound, and also there as well as the lightning, right? So she is thinking that we have to shelter somewhere in the ruin. She could only see a few feet ahead. So by there was a full of dark, it's looking like very night, right? So she can able to see only the few steps, but she knew the path well, and she began to run. So she can able to see only the few steps front of her, but she knew the path well. அவளுக்கு வந்துட்டு கண்ணு முன்னாடி வந்துட்டு கொஞ்சம் தூரம் தான் தெரியுது, வெளிச்சம் கொஞ்சம் தூரம் தான் தெரியுது, அதுக்கு மேலே இருட்டாக இருக்குது. ஆனாலுமே அவளுக்கு அந்த இடம் வந்துட்டு புதுசு கிடையாது, ஏற்கனவே வந்துட்டு போயிருக்கா, நிறைய தடவை வந்துட்டு போயிருக்கா. அதனால என்ன பண்ணுறா, she began to run. Suddenly, the wind sprang up again and brought the rain with a rush against her face. It was cold, stinking rain. She could hardly keep her eyes open. So while she is running, so she can able to see only the few distance, but she knew the path very well. So she began to run in that path. Suddenly, the wind sprang up means it is coming very forcefully to his face. Okay, wow. And brought the rain with a rush against her face. So once the wind forced up her face on back to that itself, rain is also rushing against her face. It was cold, அப்பா ரொம்ப சில்லுன்னு இருக்கு, and also stinky rainனா என்னது, வெரி ஹார்ஷ். அப்படியே வந்துட்டு அந்த ரெயின் ட்ராப்ஸ் மேலே ஃபேஸில் படப்பட அப்படியே குத்துது. ஓகேவா. ஷீ குட் ஹார்ட்லி கீப் ஹர் ஐஸ் ஓப்பன். ஷீ கான், இட் இஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் for because when the rain drops is coming opposite, that is coming in opposite direction to us, we can't able to open our eyes very clearly, because it is very difficult to open our eyes, because the raindrops will be pricking our eyes also, right? So it is very difficult. So she is also finding very difficult to open her eye. The wind grew in force. So again the wind is grew in force. Again the wind is coming in force manner. It hummed and whistled. So it is hummed and whistled. So the hummed and whistled are the sounds of wind sound. Okay, wow. Usha did not Usha did not have to fight against it. So Usha did not fight against the wind, because it had behind her now. Because the wind again grew in force, it humbled and whistled, right? So these are it coming back behind her. அவளுக்கு பின்னாடி தான் வருது. அவள் வந்து உஷா டிட் நாட் ஃபைட் அகெயின்ஸ்ட் இட்னா என்னது, அவள் வந்துட்டு அந்த விண்டு கூட வந்து சண்டை போடல. பிகாஸ் வைனா இட் வாஸ் பிஹைண்ட் ஹர் நவ். அவள் அந்த விண்டு இருக்குது இல்லையா, அந்த ஹம்டு விசில் சவுண்டு, அந்த ஃபோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் விண்ட் எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு உஷாவுக்கு பின்னாடி தான் வருது. அதனால் அவள் வந்து ஃபோர்ஸ் அந்த விண்டு கிட்ட வந்துட்டு ஃபோர்ஸ் பண்ணி ஃபைட் பண்ணி அவள் வந்துட்டு நடந்து போக தேவையில்லை. பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் கம்மிங் பேக் பிஹைண்ட் ஹர் ஒன்லி அண்ட் ஹெல்ப் ஹர் அலாங் அப் த ஸ்டீப் path and on the brow of the hill. So it helped him because the wind is coming behind her, right? So it helped her to walk, that is to steep the path means to step the path further, and also onto the brow of the hill. Brow means that is peak of the hill, peak or pass of the hill, whatever it may be. So it helped her to move to the peak of the hill. Okay, wow. There was another flashing of light followed by the peal of thunder. So again there was another flashing of lightning. Okay, lightning மறுபடியும் வந்துட்டு இடி, அதாவது அந்த லைட்னிங் வருது. ஃபாலோட் பை த பீல் ஆஃப் தண்டர். அந்த லைட்னிங் வந்து என்னது, நல்லா வந்துட்டு பெரிய லார்ஜ் சவுண்டு, தட் இஸ் முழக்கம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் ஷி கேன் ஏபிள் டு ஹியர் த லார்ஜ் சவுண்ட் ஆஃப் த thunder. The Runain looked up before her, grim and forebending. So once there was a lightning and that sound of the thunder, the Runain looked up her. She can able to see the Runain in a grim and forebending. Grim means in a serious and in the threatening appearance. So the meaning of forebending is in a threatening appearance. அப்படியே பார்க்கும்போது பயமாக இருக்குது. Because that is a lightning and also the sound of the thunder, right? She can while the lightning is coming, and already I show you the picture, while the lightning is there, she can able to see the outline of the Runain. So it showing in a threatening manner. She can able to, by seeing that she is getting very afraid. She knew there was a corner where a piece of old roof remained. So she knew very well, because she is part of that village, right? She used to go to the market many times. So she knew that there is a piece of old roof remained. It would give some shelter. So she knew that there is some old roof remained, and from there she can able to get some shelter. it would be better than trying to go on. So she decided better we can take some shelter, we can stay there in that old roof itself, better to go on, because there is a heavy lightning and also thunder, and also there is a heavy raindrops. In the dark, in the cooling wind, she had only to stay off the path to go over the rocky cliffy edge. So in that hoving sound, or in that sound of the wind, she decided to stay off better to go, because and also she moved over through the rocky cliff of the edge. Okay, rocky cliff of the edge means that where is the old roof is remained. So we can stop up to here. Once again we can recall this section. So while she is returning from the market, the clouds has been become very dark, and all the leaves, all the trees has been standing in a still position, and not a leaf also has been moved. So she knew the very well. She knew the path very well. So she didn't get any frightened from there, and she decided to walk before the dark, and she need to return before the dark to the home. So she hurry up to the house before getting dark. And also while she is going, the lightning also has been thundering. She can able to see the outline of the ruins, and also by the time she is not getting afraid, and also she is coming out of that, and she is walking very quickly, and almost she is running, but the raindrops are coming faster and faster. And also there is a sudden flashlights, and also the thunder sound, and also she can able to see the outline of the ruin also. So she thought that there is a big storm, it's going to break, so we can take some shelter. And also she knew that there is a old roof remaining there, and also she decided to take some shelter, and she moved to the rocky cliffy of the edge. So up to here we can stop. So the remaining part of this section 2 will be continued in next video. Thank you. Hope you have understood this video. Remaining part of this section 2 of this haunted hills will be continued in next video. Thank you.